Hey everybody, I am here at Carmel Cliffs by Pulte Homes here in the West Summerlin area. And behind me, the Vittoria model, a little over 4,600 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 5.5 bath, 4-car garage, and there's an awesome view out there. So let's go inside and take a look. So just inside the Vittoria, I just want to explain a few models that they have here. Is 4 floor plans, and then they have 3 models. And it's going to start from a base price of $1 million to the Vittoria 1.5. So, and then there is 3 elevations to this community. It's on the west side of Summerlin, as I mentioned earlier. It's all the way at the top of far west side towards Red Rock. So before we do this tour, I just want to explain about this community where they're going to have a patio, and there's a lot of construction being built in West Summerlin right now. But when it's done, it's going to be amazing. So if you like what you're seeing, you like my channel, please like and subscribe or follow. And then let's take a look at this house. All right, entering the Vittoria, high ceilings, beautiful chandelier, and then we have the study room with floating shelves, lighting below. It's great. You got this kind of wood backing here. So we are on the other side of the office. On this side of the formal dining, we have, just want to showcase, this wine room area. Now we go through the hallway, and then to upstairs, you have the floating stairs upgrade with these awesome glass rails. Beautiful LED lighting here. Simplified fireplace. Perfect entertainment. Kitchen's over there. Now we're through the dining area. Beautiful size pantry, wine fridge, Sub-Zero built-in fridge, and then you have the GE Cafe appliances. In this model, they changed this room downstairs to a gym. So if you love to work out, check out this gym. Now we're in the gym, and as we keep going, there will be an access to the backyard. So let's go outside and check out the view. So now we're outside. Obviously, you see the pool, you see the spa, you see the view. But upstairs, we'll go up and check it out. Better views up there. Going up these beautiful stairs. There's 4 bedrooms up here, so I like that because each bedroom is actually in each corner of the house upstairs. So let's check it out. So we got the 2 bedrooms back there, and we're gonna head north, and then we're gonna head west into the other bedroom. Now let's check out this primary suite. But first, I love what they did with the LED lighting. It's a great feature. Walking through, they have a wet bar with a fridge, and then couch there, TV for entertainment purposes. So primary bathroom, floating cabinets, waterfall edge, tub, outside window. And I like this detail that they have with the shower where they wrap the glass so that the water doesn't splash out. Walking into the closet, nice windows for a lot of lighting, custom built with LED lights all around. We're still in the primary suite. Of course, behind me is the balcony. Let's take a look. Huge balcony. You can have access from the loft area, from the middle of the house, and from the primary suite. So the view, take a look. Imagine this is gonna be all finished up, this whole West Summerlin area, and then check out the view. Think about it, we're at night. All right, so this is the end of the tour for this model. There's 2 more, so like and subscribe. Check out the other videos. If you're looking for a home in Las Vegas, hit me up. Dallas at kwvegas.com, 702-686-1668. Thank you. high ceilings with the chandelier, and then let's check out the bathroom. There's a door to the balcony. Let's go take a look. If you Dallas Tung at Keller Williams,